Welcome, everyone. In this video, we're going to provide an overview of the SuperOps platform and its offerings for IT teams and technicians worldwide. SuperOps is an all-encompassing IT management platform that combines unified asset management and streamlined ticketing, all in one place. Let's dive in. Upon logging into SuperOps, users are greeted with the home screen displayed here. As a technician, all necessary information is readily available. This includes details about the tickets being handled, assets being managed, and other pertinent concerns. Moreover, this interface is customizable. Technicians can select key metrics relevant to their work and add them to the home screen for easy access. However, SuperOps is not just for technicians, but also for IT managers, CIOs, and CTOs of the organization. SuperOps introduces the Org Management module, providing a comprehensive overview of organizational insights. This module allows for the organization to be divided into multiple sites and departments, enabling access to performance information for each site and department. Information about all users in an organization is also accessible from here. For instance, by clicking on a particular technician, you can view their performance data. If you need to search based on a certain requester, you can track all their requests and access any necessary information. This feature has proven incredibly useful for key stakeholders and decision-makers, providing all the necessary information in one place, eliminating the need for multiple tools and spreadsheets. Now, let's discuss the asset management capabilities of SuperOps. SuperOps houses a unified asset management module, allowing management of not just endpoints, but also network monitoring devices. The most crucial aspect of asset management is the ease of onboarding assets onto a platform like SuperOps. SuperOps simplifies the entire onboarding process by offering multiple options to integrate all the assets into your environment. This can be done manually, or through the silent install or bulk deployment using GPO or Intune. But the best thing is the network discovery feature provided by SuperOps. This allows you to perform a network scan of the entire subnet, identify all the endpoints on a particular network, and automatically install the agents as required. Once you have the agent installed on a particular asset, SuperOps retrieves all the essential information you need to start troubleshooting. This includes a summary of CPU usage, memory usage, patch status, and key metrics like BitLocker. This information is fetched by default, eliminating the need for you to manually write scripts to pull this information. SuperOps also provides direct access to the registry editor and the file explorer of the specific asset. This means you can make changes to the registry and transfer files without having to remotely access an asset or manually access it every time. You also have the ability to access the terminal of the asset directly from the asset page. You can access either the command prompt or the PowerShell as a system or a logged-in user, allowing you to pass any commands seamlessly without having to manually access these assets. You also have the ability to run scripts across the assets. SuperOps features a robust scripting engine that allows you to write your own scripts. SuperOps supports a wide variety of languages that enable you to write scripts for Windows, Mac, and Linux assets. This includes the ability to write a BAT script, a PowerShell script, or a VB script. All of this is available to you, so you don't have to worry about executing any actions manually. In addition to the ability to write scripts from scratch, we also provide access to a community script library. This gives you exposure to a vast database of scripts written by IT technicians and MSPs using SuperOps worldwide. If there's a specific script you're searching for, it's likely you'll find it in the community library, ready to be imported into your own library and used across your assets. Finally, SuperOps also possesses the capability to remotely access assets directly from the asset page. We integrate tightly with SplashTop, meaning your SplashTop license is included with your SuperOps subscription. Once the SuperOps agent is installed on an asset, SplashTop is automatically installed, making the asset readily available for remote access. One of the most significant advantages of SuperOps is the ability to create IT documentation within the platform. The best part? You can associate this documentation with assets and make it accessible on the service portal. This allows your technicians to access specific asset documentation from the asset page. There's no longer a need to use a separate tool for documentation and switch between tabs. You also have the ability to initiate a chat and create a ticket from within the asset. SuperOps empowers you to perform real-time communication with your end users for any necessary troubleshooting. You can initiate a chat for instant clarification before remoting into the tool or performing any actions. Everything we've discussed regarding asset management so far are reactive methods of troubleshooting the asset once things break. In the role of an IT team, our responsibility extends beyond merely fixing problems as they arise. We must adopt a proactive approach, managing assets to prevent incidents from occurring in the first place. SuperOps introduces policy management, which allows us to establish proactive troubleshooting methods and policies across all assets. This reduces the frequency of issues. SuperOps provides flexibility with hierarchical and advanced policies for both simple and complex environments, enabling conditional policy sets for all incoming assets. Now, let's delve into policy management. The first and foremost aspect to discuss is alert management. SuperOps enables us to set up alerts for any required condition. Beyond simply setting up alerts, we can also establish auto-remediation accordingly. For instance, if the disk free space falls below a certain limit, an alert can be triggered. Simultaneously, we can execute scripts, such as deleting temporary files or emptying the recycle bin. This allows us to focus on real troubleshooting rather than manually completing these preliminary steps. SuperOps also provides the ability to select alerts from available templates. This means we can pick and choose from a list of templates rather than creating everything from scratch. In addition to standard alerting, SuperOps offers intelligent alerting. This AI-driven conditional alerting is a unique feature only offered by SuperOps. Unlike standard alerts where you set up criteria for alert triggering, intelligent alerting allows SuperOps to monitor the behavior of an asset over time. If an anomaly is detected in the normal behavior of an asset, SuperOps sends an intelligent alert, enabling us to proactively address issues before they escalate. Next up, SuperOps offers patch management, eliminating the need for a separate tool. SuperOps provides a granular level of patch management, with all the necessary settings. This allows for the setup of approval configurations based on various patch categories. Once these patches are approved, you can establish multiple schedules to install these patches across different assets at different times. This prevents the simultaneous installation of patches across all assets, which would cause delays for end users during patch installation. You can also prioritize the deployment of critical patches before others, which can be scheduled for installation over the weekend. In addition to patch management, SuperOps also supports software management. It integrates with two of the largest software management repositories, Wingit and Chocolatey, enabling you to fetch the software needed for installation across various assets. SuperOps doesn't just handle the installation of new applications, it also ensures that existing applications on the assets are updated regularly. This way, end-to-end software management is also available under the single pane of SuperOps. Next, SuperOps offers scheduled actions that automate all your maintenance scripts. You can set up a regular cadence for the maintenance scripts that you would like to execute across the assets as they come into your queue. In addition, SuperOps integrates with the antivirus software, Bitdefender. This ensures that all assets have Bitdefender installed on them as soon as they enter the queue. Beyond the standard options in policy management, SuperOps also provides a separate option for asset onboarding. This covers all initial actions needed when a new asset is integrated into SuperOps. It allows you to deploy patches, install all necessary third-party software, and execute all maintenance scripts instantly. This eliminates the need for manual actions once the assets are onboarded. We also have a maintenance mode. This is useful when running maintenance schedules across assets, as it ensures no actions are performed through the RMM during this time. You can set up a maintenance cadence and skip all alerts, notifications, patches, and scripts. Once the maintenance is completed, SuperOps can return to its regular operations. So far, we've discussed various functionalities that SuperOps provides on the endpoint monitoring front. SuperOps also includes a network monitoring component in the asset management area. Here, Akira, you can add your assets on which the agent is installed as probes. You can conduct a network scan, identify network devices like printers, routers, firewalls, and switches, and add them to your queue. From the asset page, you can access information about the printer. Key metrics like availability status, tray status, and toner details are visually represented for easy interpretation in action. You can also perform ICMP pings and SSH tunneling on these assets as needed. One of the best features of SuperOps' network monitoring is the elimination of manual OID additions. SuperOps maintains a large repository of OIDs for most of the network devices you want to monitor. When you scan a network device and add it to the monitoring system, all key metrics of the asset are selected by default. These are the functionalities of asset management we wanted to discuss. In addition to its many features, SuperOps has a streamlined ticketing solution and project management, making it more convenient for you to manage everything within a single interface. SuperOps offers multiple methods for ticket creation. For instance, it allows you to connect your mailbox, so when an email is sent to your support address, a ticket is automatically created. Since SuperOps is installed across all your assets, you can provide the ticket creation option directly through the agent itself. Beyond these two options, you can also give end users access to the service portal, where they can select ticket forms and create tickets. SuperOps features an intuitive ticketing module. When you open a ticket in SuperOps, you have all the necessary information on the same page. This includes user details, end user conversations, access to tasks, and the ability to add notes for other technicians. You can also initiate site conversations with third-party users or vendors, so all the information related to a specific ticket can be accessed from a single page. With SuperOps, there's no need to send vendor conversations from your Outlook or Gmail anymore, as you can streamline all of this within the platform. The beauty of this unified tool is that while working on a ticket as a technician, you can instantly remote into the asset from the ticket screen. This makes troubleshooting significantly easier than with other disjointed tools. Especially when it comes to ticketing automation, SuperOps provides a wealth of options designed to streamline your workflows and make your life easier. One of these is an AI component called Monica AI, which allows for a range of actions on a ticket, enhancing your ticketing experience. With Monica AI, you can summarize tickets, automatically compose vendor emails, and summarize work logs. This means that as a technician, you can add work time entries across various assets and tickets, summarizing them as needed. Additionally, SuperOps recommends solutions and similar tickets when working on recurring tickets, accelerating your problem-solving process by avoiding the need to start from scratch with each ticket. SuperOps also enables the setup of runbook automation for all your tickets. A runbook is a list of standard operating procedures that can be compiled for recurring tickets. This runbook, a collection of tasks, email templates, and actions, can be created and applied to specific types of tickets. For example, if you frequently handle user onboarding tickets, a runbook can be automatically associated as soon as an onboarding request enters your queue. Once associated, all relevant email templates, tasks, and actions are readily available. By using Monica AI, you can avoid manual corrections and ensure your responses are always professional and appropriate. These are the functionalities SuperOps offers on the help desk front. In addition to these features, SuperOps also provides a scheduling module that integrates with Outlook or Google Calendar. This two-way sync allows you to manage on-site visits and ticket dispatching automatically through SuperOps, eliminating the need for a separate event scheduling tool. Beyond these functionalities, SuperOps enhances user experience by offering a Kanban view and Classic view. In the Classic view, you can access all the information in one place. You can assign a ticket to another technician instantly, access the work log information, and view the conversations on that specific ticket. The Kanban board for tickets allows for efficient dispatching. You can drag and drop tickets across different stages and change their properties. Lastly, let's touch on security. SuperOps provides single sign-on access. This feature is available for both technicians and requesters on service portals, where they can log in and raise requests as needed. In addition, you can set up agent protection for the endpoints you're working with, preventing end users from uninstalling or removing the agents. You'll also have the ability to implement session settings and IP restrictions. This ensures that your assets are managed not only efficiently, but also securely. That concludes the information about SuperOps for today. If you're interested in learning more, please sign up for a demo today and let's get started.